Okay. Wow. That's like stupid. It's so much snow.
Mom, you say a bad word.
I did. I don't know any other ways to describe it.
No.
Holy smokes. He is going to get in our driveway. Oh, look at how deep that snow is. This is for you, big bro Rich. Go for it, Dave.
Go for it.
Oh my God.
Really not cool.
That's not cool, Kenzie. That's cold. Oh, he's going to hit the drain. Careful. Oh, yeah, take the tree down. I don't really want that.
Don't take the tree down.
Unbelievable.
Now he's gonna
Oh, that was bad. That, yikes.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, I think it's gonna be a bad idea.
Oh, is he stuck? Oh no, he's gonna get on our lawn. Nice.
Nice.
Lawn? What lawn? This is crazy.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness.
Mom, can you help me get dressed?
No. I'm filming this.
Oh my God. You never working.
Oh, that's the storm drain. Oh my God. Wow. It's like a big scoop of ice cream.
It's like ice cream.